Good afternoon, everyone. I am hopefully posting this as a short update on a malpractice decision that I think will become important as we head forward in the era of deportations and other issues involving immigrants. This case is called Gilbert v. Johnson. The Nebraska Supreme Court held that there can be some recovery, potential recovery, where a lawyer makes a mistake and that mistake deprives someone of something that can't be measured in economic damages. So the traditional rule on damages is you can't recover anything other than economic damages from the lawyer. Well, that's a problem. If we screw up a custody case, how are we going to assess that? Or if there's an immigration case gets screwed up, how are we going to deal with that if the mother ends up on one side of the border and the child on another? So the Nebraska Supreme Court decided this case on November 22, 2024, 318 Nebraska Reports 105. It's a good case. It's a family law screw up, and it comes from it's a referral where the federal district court asked the state court a question. So I'm going to read it. The U.S. District Court for the District of Nebraska has certified the following question to this court: in what circumstances, if any, may a client recover non-economic damages in a legal malpractice case arising from child custody dispute? And then they say, we determine that non-economic damages may be available in a legal malpractice action arising from a child custody dispute in which no physical injury has been sustained, only if attorney engages in egregious conduct or in conduct intended to destroy a parent-child relationship. So basically, that's under some limited circumstances you would be able to recover damages for this type of fiasco. The problem is that Illinois still has the rule that you can't recover non-economic damages in a malpractice case. I think this rule will be sorely tested when this type of situation comes to the Illinois Supreme Court. I think it will come to the Illinois Supreme Court fairly soon because of the immigration issues that are now so much a part of our lives. There's going to be a parent who is not a citizen and two children who are citizens on different sides of the border, and there's going to be a malpractice case because the lawyer didn't finish the immigration matter. There have already been malpractice cases brought as disciplinary actions. The question is, can you recover damages for them? So this is an interesting question. Nebraska has said yes, in some limited circumstances you can recover non-economic damages. It's going to be tough to recover, but I think though it will be fairly easy to meet the standard that the lawyer destroyed the parent-child relationship. Egregious conduct. I think that will be, unfortunately, given our profession, I think this burden is one that we can meet, that plaintiffs can meet in some cases. I think this is going to be a growing issue. And I think that lawyers, should be on their toes who handle these types of cases. Thank you very much. Happy 4th of July.